Okay, now let's put it inside the HuskyLens 3D case. This one. So let's open it. This also I bought from Ivelta. And it's supposed to be the perfect fit for this robot. Looks like this is the camera hole, so I should remove this cover for a better view. Yeah, I removed the lens cover, and then this button will go out through this, and this one also, so I have to bring it in. Come on, go in. Oh no, not like that. I think through this hole I should go in. No. Yeah, almost there. Done. Yes, the perfect fit. Little bit scared. Let me try one more time. Things are going good. Okay, nice. Happy. Okay, now it's detecting. Maybe it's too bright for him, or okay, fine now. Let's see what else is in that box. So I open this. I think it's a quick cable. Let me open and see. It's a quick connector. No, one side quick connector, other side jumper cable. So female to quick connector. Yeah. So yeah, you have to connect this quick connector to the DFRobot, I mean the HuskyLens, and the other side you have to connect to your favorite microcontroller and VCC and ground also. So 4 pins. Why 4 pin? Because you have I2C. Yeah, for I2C. And then you have this mounting screws. So you have this multiple screws and then mounting fixtures. And yeah, whenever it's needed we will use it. That's all. Thank you.